What color is this? Correct. It's red. And this one, what color is it? That's right. It's blue. Hello. I am Benji, a language lover from the United States. I make these videos so you can learn English without studying, without studying. This is the first video that I am making for super beginners, or also known as A1 and A2. In this first episode, let's talk about colors. Red, blue, and green. This is a car. A blue car. It is a blue car. That's also a car. But that is a green car. What color is it? It's a green car. Very good. This car, it looks red. Exactly. It is red. This car is red. It's a red car. This drink is blue. Why is it blue? Oh, it's blueberry lemonade. These are blueberries. But what is lemonade? It's a drink that we make with lemons. What color are lemons? Yellow, orange, and purple. Lemons are yellow. They are yellow. What else is yellow? Bananas are yellow. School buses are yellow. Even the sun can seem yellow, so the sun is yellow too. What about orange? Oranges are orange. That's why we call the color orange orange, because oranges are orange. And so is this car. This is an orange car. Purple. What's purple? I know many things are purple. Like grapes. Grapes are purple. So is wine. Wine is purple too. Lavender. Lavender is purple. And so is this house. This is a purple house. Brown, black, white, and gray. So what color is this house? Do you know? This house is brown. This is a brown house. What about this car? This car is black. True. It's a black car. Now, what about this color? What color is this? It's white. This is the color white. Now, if you take black, white, and mix them together, what color will we have? Gray. We'll have gray. So if we mix black and white together and paint a house with that color, we'll have a gray house. Now let's review, or let's go over these colors one more time. So we got red, blue, green, yellow, orange, purple, brown, black, white, and gray. I hope that this video helped you a lot. Subscribe and like this video for more content like this. It was a pleasure, as always. Have a good day. Goodbye.